Hey guys, check it out. This review is for the Rain Design mStand360. Why is it a 360? Well, that's because it swivels. If you check this out right here on the bottom, it's got a good swivel circle with good ball bearings in there to spin around. But let's see this thing in action. This is going to be great for really any desk, or if you use a stand-up desk. But silver in design, great for Apple products. But you can open that laptop up and be able to pivot wherever you need it. If you're at a stand-up desk, this especially works good when you're at a stand-up desk because you have to raise your hands. But pivots wherever you want it. Has a cool feature of a circle on the back for any cords if you want to hide any power cords to come in and then go over to the left or right of your laptop. But this is Rain Design M360 for the swivel desktop stand. Very cool.